Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quick Learn Podcast. I'm Alex, your host for today's episode, and we're going to talk about something that a lot of us can't live without. Can you guess what it is? Here's a hint. It's warm, comforting, and gives many of us that much-needed boost to start our day. Yes, it's coffee. But here's the exciting part. Did you know that coffee is not just about waking you up? In fact, coffee has hidden benefits that most people don't know about. And today, we're going to uncover those secrets. To help us explore why coffee might just be the super drink we all need, we have a special guest, Hazel, who is an expert in healthy living. Hazel, welcome to Quick Learn Podcast.
Hi, Alex. Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to dive into this topic. Coffee might seem like just a daily drink for some, but it can actually be really good for you. If you drink it the right way, of course.
I know. I'm a coffee lover myself, and I'm sure many of our listeners are too. So, everyone, make sure to stick around because you're about to learn some surprising facts about how coffee can actually be beneficial for your health. Let's dive right in. All right, Hazel, let's start with the basics. We all know coffee helps us stay awake, especially when we're feeling tired. But beyond keeping us alert, what else does coffee do for us?
Great question, Alex. Most people think of coffee as just an energy booster, but there's so much more. For one thing, coffee is packed with something called antioxidants.
Antioxidants? That sounds important. Can you explain what they do?
Sure. Antioxidants are like little protectors for your cells. They help shield your body from harmful particles called free radicals, which can cause cell damage over time. In fact, coffee is one of the richest sources of antioxidants in many people's diets, especially if they don't eat a lot of fruits or vegetables.
Wow. So, you're saying coffee is almost like a hidden health drink?
In some ways, yes. But of course, it's all about drinking it in moderation. If you don't load it with sugar and cream, coffee can really benefit your body. For example, research has shown that drinking coffee may lower the risk of diseases like Parkinson's and even Alzheimer's.
That's incredible. So, it's not just helping us stay awake, it's actually good for our brain?
Exactly. Caffeine, the main ingredient in coffee, does more than just wake you up. It can actually improve your brain function, helping you stay focused, alert, and even boosting your mood. That's why so many people grab a cup of coffee before a big task or while studying.
I totally get it. During college, coffee was my best friend for those late-night study sessions.
You're definitely not alone, Alex. A lot of people can relate. And here's something interesting. Studies show that coffee can also help reduce the risk of depression. There's something about a warm cup of coffee that just lifts your spirits, especially when you're having a tough day.
That's amazing. So, coffee helps our mind stay sharp and our mood stay lifted. But what about our physical health? Does coffee help there too?
Absolutely. Here's one big benefit. Drinking coffee has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It seems that coffee helps your body use insulin more effectively, which helps keep your blood sugar levels stable.
That's huge, especially with so many people affected by diabetes worldwide. Who would have thought coffee could make such a difference?
I know, right? And there's more. Coffee can also be good for your liver. Studies have shown that people who drink coffee regularly have a lower risk of liver diseases, like cirrhosis and liver cancer.
Wow, Hazel. I had no idea coffee could protect so many parts of our body. It's like a super drink.
It really is, as long as you enjoy it in moderation. Too much coffee can lead to issues like insomnia or even stomach upset, so balance is key. And remember, adding too much sugar or cream can turn it from a health boost to a calorie-loaded drink.
This is all so fascinating. But before we wrap up, how about a fun fact? Hazel, did you know that coffee is actually the second most traded commodity in the world after oil?
No way. That's impressive.
Yes. Coffee is loved all over the world, and people drink about 2.25 billion cups every day. It's amazing to think that something so simple can connect so many people across the globe.
It really shows how important coffee is, not only to our daily routines, but also to the world economy.
Caffeine, a natural stimulant that helps increase alertness. Example: caffeine in coffee helps you stay awake and focused during the day.
Antioxidants, substances that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Example: coffee is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from certain diseases.
Insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Example: drinking coffee may help improve how your body uses insulin, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes.
Liver, a vital organ that processes nutrients and filters toxins. Example: drinking coffee regularly may lower the risk of liver diseases, including cirrhosis.
Moderation, doing something within reasonable limits. Example: it's important to drink coffee in moderation to avoid side effects like insomnia. Well, Hazel, this has been such an eye-opening conversation. I think I've learned more about coffee today than I ever imagined.
I'm glad to hear that. Coffee is definitely more than just a quick energy boost. When enjoyed in moderation, it can be a part of a healthy lifestyle.
Absolutely. So, to everyone listening, the next time you enjoy your morning coffee, remember, you're not just waking up, you're doing something good for your body and mind. Just don't forget to drink it in moderation.
That's right. And for those who don't drink coffee, no worries. Everyone's different, and there are many other ways to stay healthy.
Exactly. Well, that's it for today's episode of the Quick Learn podcast. Hazel, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Alex. It was a pleasure.
And to all our listeners, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode. We'd love to hear from you. Are you a coffee lover, or do you prefer something else? Let us know. And as always, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.